Hey, this is Andy with Techna Clip. Today we're installing the Techna Clip for the Sig P238. The Techna Clip comes with the product card with instructions on the back, the clip itself, Allen key, and 2 grip screws. Before you install the clip, make sure that you safety check the gun. To safety check the gun, remove the magazine, pull back the slide, make sure that the chamber is empty. To install the clip, remove the 2 grip screws from the frame of the gun with the provided Allen key. Once you've removed the grip screws, remove the grip plate. Align the clip over the grip screw holes. Once you have that aligned, replace the grip plate. Align that over the top of the holes. Take the new screws, which are longer, and thread them in. Use the provided Allen key to tighten down the screw. With the clip installed, you can see it's easy to take the clip off and restore it back to its factory condition. If you have any questions, you can reach us at support@technaclip.com or call us at 801-216-4790. Thanks for watching and be safe out there.